All right, let's do a door reversal on a Samsung dryer. Maybe the customer doesn't want it to have it on this way. Maybe they want it to open the other way. So let me show you just real quick on how we can do this door reversal. Now, first thing you want to do is open up the door, obviously. And we're going to remove this screw, this one, and these two. There to the side. All right, you just take your little door latch out of there. Now you're going to come over here, and there's going to be two screws over here, one here and one here. Okay, support the door. Okay. Now we've got those out. Okay, so now just lift up. It should come right on out of there. You're gonna have a screw that's gonna be on this back side of this hinge right here. We're gonna have to flip that as well. Take this, just put it in the hole right there. You don't have to do it super tight or anything like that. And the reason why we're gonna do that is because it's gonna fit right over here on this side. So we take this, flip the door over, make sure that that screw goes into that top hole. Get it all lined in there, so we're all lined up. We're going to take those screws that we had, got that one in. Good on there. We come over to our door latch side and put that in on that side. Find our small little screws here. Put these in. That one's in. And there's two other screws that we took out. That one's in. There you go. And that is how you reverse the door on a Samsung dryer. Simple, easy, and quick.